In this video, we'll solve these rational expressions. 64a square b upon 21ab square times 63a cube b cube upon 8a square b. So first we'll cancel 21 and 63. 21 once and 3 times it will go. 8 once 8 and 8 8 64. So now we have 8 times 3, 24. When we multiply the variables with the same base, powers are added. So a2 times a3, a to the power 3 becomes a to the power 5. And b times b to the power 3 becomes b to the power 4. Over. Now we have here a times a square is a to the power 3. B to the power 2 times b is b to the power 3. So when we divide with the same base, powers are subtracted. So we get 24. A5 minus A3, 5 minus 3 is 2. So A to the power 2. B to the power 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. So just B. Now restrictions is denominator should not be equal to 0. So here we have A. So A should not be equal to 0. And B should not be equal to 0. The next question. So 54A cube B square upon 81C square divided by 108 A square B over 45C. So first we change the divide sign to multiplication. So we get 54 A cube B upon 81 C square times. So this will go up. So it becomes 45C upon 108 A square B. Now we have multiplication, so we can cross cancel diagonal or numerator and denominator. So we can cancel 81 and 45. So 9 5s 45, 9 9s 81, and 9 1s 9, and 9 6 54. So we have now and 6 also we can cancel. 6 1 6, 4 remains here, 6 4, 6 8 48. So at the top we have 3 times 5 15, a to the power 3, b and c. And denominator we have 18 c square a square b. So 15 and 18 further we can reduce, we can divide by 3. So 3 5 is 15 and 3 6 18. So final answer will be 5 upon 6. A to the power 3, a square in the denominator. So powers are subtracted. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So just a. B here and B cancels. And C here, 1 C cancel with C, 1 C remains here. So this is the answer 5a upon 6c. So what are the restrictions here? Denominator should not be equal to 0. So here we have in the denominator c. So c should not be equal to 0. And a should not be equal to 0. And b should not be equal to 0. The next question. 3x minus 4 or x plus 9 times 2x plus 18 and 3x minus 4. So we write here 3x minus 4 upon x plus 9 times. We take out 2 common here because we can divide both by 2. So take out 2 common, so we get x plus 9 over 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 cancel. X plus 9 cancel. Answer is 2. And here the restriction is all denominator we solve for x. So x should not be equal to -9. because if you write x value -9 plus 9 becomes 0, and anything divided by 0 is undefined. So here we have denominator 3x minus 4. So we solve for x. 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So 3x equals -4 on the side become +4. So divide by 3, divide by 3. So x should not be equal to 4 over 3. Okay, so this question one more we have here. So it's x square minus 5x minus 25. So first we factor them. X square will at x times x. Multiples of 24. By adding you should get -5 when you multiply -24. So what is 24? 8 times 3 is 24. To get -24, the sign should be -8 times 3 is -24. And if you add them, so -8 plus 3 is -5. So it is satisfying both the middle term and the last term. So the factors are -8 and 3. So x minus 8, x plus 3. Same way denominator, we solve here by factoring. So x square means x times x. Multiples of 15, -15. So 5 times 3 is 15. We want -15, so sign should be -5 times 3 is -15. If you add them, so -5 plus 3 is -2. So it is satisfying both the middle and the last term. The factors will be x minus 5 and x plus 3 times x minus 5, and we have here x plus 4. Now x minus 5 cancel. X plus 3 cancel. So answer is x minus 8 over x plus 4. Now the restrictions, each denominator, you have to solve for x. So we have here x minus 5. So x should not be equal to +5 because 5 minus 5 will become 0. Here we have x plus 3. So x should not be equal to -3 because -3 plus 3 becomes 0. Okay, now x plus 4 we have, so x should not be equal to -4. So these are restrictions for the expression. The next question is x minus 4 upon x minus 3. Divide sign changes to multiplication, and this will flip, this will go up, and this will come down. So we have 2x minus 6 upon 4 minus x. Now we have x minus 4 upon x minus 3 times. We can take out 2 common here. So we get x minus 3. And here we have -x. We can write -x plus 4. So x minus 3 cancel. So we have x minus 4 times 2 upon. If we take out this negative outside, so we get x minus 4. So x minus 4 cancel. So answer is -2. Now here the restrictions, all the denominator we solve for x. So here x minus 3. So x should not be equal to +3. And here 4 minus x. So x equals. So 4 equals x. So x equals 4. So if we write 4 here, 4 minus 5 becomes 0. So x should not be equal to 4. And the last question, x squared plus 11x plus 24. First we factor them, x and x. So multiples of 24, by adding we should get 11. So 8 times 3 is 24. And if you add them, 8 plus 3 is 11. So the factors are 8x plus 8, x plus 3. Similarly, denominator also we factor them. Negative 3. So 3 times 1 is negative 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. If we add them, we get positive 2. If we add them, so negative 3 plus 1 is positive 2. So the factors are x plus 3, x minus 1. Divide sign changes to multiplication. This will flip. So it becomes x minus 1 over x minus 8. Now x plus 3 cancels. X minus 1 cancels. Now we have x plus 8 upon x minus 8. So this is the answer. Now here the restrictions are. So each factor we solve, x should not be equal to negative 3. X should not be equal to positive 1. And here x should not be equal to positive 8. Because all these values, if x values are this, then the denominator will become 0. So we have to find restrictions for each denominator, whatever is x value. I hope now you understand how to solve this rational expression. If you like this video, please like and share to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.